How to fix Clash of Clans account disabled. Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can fix Clash of Clans account disabled. So let's get started. First, open Clash of Clans and tap on the in-game help and support section. Sometimes just reaching out through there can resolve the issue quickly. If that doesn't work, the next option is to contact Supercell directly. Head over to your browser, search Supercell contact form, and fill out the necessary details to submit your appeal. If your issue is more serious or legal in nature, you can email them at legal-requests@supercell.com. Just open Gmail, hit compose, and explain your situation clearly. If you think the issue might be with the app itself, go to your phone settings, tap on apps, then manage apps and look for Clash of Clans. Once found, tap on it and hit force stop, then try opening the app again. If it still doesn't work, head over to the Play Store and check for updates. Sometimes running an outdated version for too long can trigger account restrictions, so updating might just solve the problem. Try these steps and your account should be back up soon. That's it, and thanks. I'll catch you all in the next video.